Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back from the ad break. You are still watching Prime Live. Now, this evening, we are joined by Dr. Nozi from the Touch is here to introduce the innovative and a gentle solution for those experiencing oral sensitivities. Now, the Touch Mouthwash offers plant-based relief for mouth sores, ulcers, sore gums, and swollen gums without harsh chemicals or alcohol. I mean, this is going to be a very interesting conversation because we do understand the importance of oral health and how it contributes to your overall health and well-being. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Nozi, and welcome to Prime Life.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
You are welcome. I mean, when I heard plant-based, obviously I was very shocked to find out that there's actually, a mouthwash that's plant-based, and now obviously we want to understand what inspired you to actually decide to come up with a mouthwash that's plant-based.
It started with a patient. I'm a clinician, and there was a time when I was dealing with patients that were receiving radiation and chemotherapy. And then I realized that some people with very clean mouthwash still had ulcers. So there had to be something beyond just not having plaque or an unclean mouth for ulcers to be. So that's how the product was developed, and there was a need to have something that will actually help the, the oral lining to take care of itself while somebody was receiving a treatment for their cancer, be it chemo or radiation treatment. So it was actually seeing patients that prompted the need to come up with a gentle mouthwash.
That's very inspiring. And I think maybe if you can take us through exactly, I wouldn't say much of the ingredients, but exactly how is the process of it and what actually makes it plant-based and comparing it to other mouthwashes that are available.
This mouthwash is a mouthwash that is totally 100%, not a little bit of a plant extract or a plant component that we use. We use 100% plant-based ingredients, and it's a mouthwash that also has been tested on cell lines of liver cell lines, kidney cell lines, to see if it is harmful on those organs, and it has been shown that it's not harmful. So it's extremely gentle.
That is very, very, very good. And for those who, because I know that there are a lot of people that struggle with sensitive gums, and they're very sensitive orally. What is it that makes this mouthwash safe for them, or a safer option for them to use?
We use an ingredient that is plant-based that sensitizes or numbs or desensitize the oral tissues. So that's what makes it a little bit different from other mouthwashes, because others may use alcohol. Alcohol does desensitize or numbs the tissues when it's applied on it. But ours, we use a plant-based ingredient that does the same job as maybe alcohol or a painkiller. So that's what makes it a little bit different from others.
That's impressive. And let's talk about when exactly this mouthwash came into, I would say, the market, and how has it been received so far?
It's been a long journey. It started as another brand, but now we have rebranded it. And the people who have used it have been very happy with it. At one point in time, we did clinical trials at Vets Dental School, but we compared it with chlorhexidine at the time. And the people who were receiving radiation treatment and chemotherapy treatment, their breakdown of the oral integrity, and it's called mucositis, their breakdown of the surfaces started a lot later than the chlorhexidine. So, and the percentage of people who the degree, meaning the mucositis, maybe grade 3 or 4, were fewer compared to the control that we did. So it has been quite helpful in the majority of the patients. As we know, there is no product that is 100% on everybody's mouth, but this one, the higher number of people did not have as bad an extent of ulcers as compared to the other product that we compared with.
And let's talk about the use of it. Is this only for people that have sensitive, mouths, or gum issues or oral issues, or anybody that wants to use the product can actually use it as their daily routine?
It's not a product that will make your mouth smell nice in terms of refresh it, like the other products that you just use, and it will make your mouth just, smell nicer. It's a product that if you feel you need to help your gums or the lining inside your mouth, it's the product that I would say would be for those people.
So basically, you're saying that this is not the kind of mouthwash that people can use to replace the, mouthwashes that they're using to refresh their mouth. It's just only for like medicinal purposes.
I would say if let's say your gums are painful, are swollen, are sensitive, it's the mouthwash that I'll go for. Yeah.
Okay, it makes sense, because I think obviously as we're speaking about this now, people would now have a question of saying, okay, I'm already using a mouthwash, a specific mouthwash. Does this mean that I need to switch because it's plant-based? And we know that anything that says it's plant-based is very easy for people to want to use it, because it's like it seems like a safer option, and it has a lot of medicinal benefits. So, but then thank you so much for just highlighting that for us. And for people that are interested in the product, where can they find it? Are there any specific retailers that are selling it?
They can find it online on the website, the Touch website, www.thetouch.co.za. It's easier to get it that way. Yeah, but sometimes if somebody feels like they don't want to use a mouthwash that has alcohol, but they feel like they want to rinse their mouth, it's a mouthwash that they can use for, as an alternative.
Most definitely. I do think that maybe it is a kind of mouthwash that you must have maybe in your bathroom, just maybe use it maybe, I don't know, once a week or something. If you're someone that's not living with gum issues or any of that, just to prevent that from happening,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Not necessarily as a replacement to say get rid of everything that you're using, but I think it would be nice. And I'm seeing there's quite a few products in front of us. Are they all mouthwashes?
No, the other ones for skin, because sometimes, especially people who go through radiation treatment, their skin do burn. So it helps, minimizes that. Or somebody who has very sensitive skin, who also want to use plant-based products, they can use that.
And now, Dr. Nozi, as we do wrap up our conversation, what impact do you hope this product will have on, people that are specifically struggling with oral health, but also just general clients and customers that will be using your product?
I'm hoping that it can help them be able to eat without experiencing any discomfort while eating. And I'm hoping that for those who have ulcers or who have irritation inside their mouth, they can use the mouthwash to lessen the discomfort so that they can choose healthier foods, because my aim is to try and help people eat healthy foods so that the body can help itself in fighting for or in fighting against whatever it needs to fight against to heal itself.
And Dr. Nozi, before I do let you go, is there anything else that you'd like to say to our viewers at home regarding the product and, just why it's very important for them to embrace it and use it?
I would like to say, because it's a very gentle product on the mouthwash, on the surfaces that it's applied on, it is a desirable choice compared to what is out there. And because it was developed with the patient in mind to try and ease the discomfort of what they go through at certain times, it will be what I would wish people can reach out for.
I mean, thank you so much, Dr. Nozi, for joining us and just for giving us all the important information that we were asking, regarding the Touch Mouthwash. So thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. I
You're
appreciate that.
welcome. You're welcome. Viewers at home, that was Dr. Nozi, and we were speaking about the Touch Mouthwash, and she was just introducing to us the innovative and gentle solution for those who are experiencing oral sensitivities. Now, do make sure that you actually head over to their website in case you want to, start your journey of your oral health care, so that you can be able to look after yourself, because she did mention all the beautiful benefits that are actually in this product. But on that note, viewers at home, let's go to a quick break. We'll see you right after this.